the 1981 Topps Cello Pack. 49 cents back in the day, 28 cards and a stick of bubble gum. You can see the bubble gum right in there. We've got our Cincinnati Reds Future Stars on the front here. Names obscured on the back, but we'll find out in a second. Let's get rid of the wrapper. Let that gum fall. There we go. A big chunk of gum back then. Yep, we're right side up, so here we go. Cincinnati Reds Future Stars. Rick Waits. Ken Kravik. Oh, we got home run leaders. There's Reggie Jackson and Mike Schmidt. Ben Ogilvy there in the middle. That's a nice card. Put that one up on the stand. Mike Lacoste. Got Dave Lemenchik. Astros Future Stars. Ed Helicki. Tommy John. He had surgery. Got Dick Davis. Bob Ochinko. Mike Hargrove. Marvis Foley. 1980 AL champions, Royals sweep the Yankees. That's a cool looking card. That's George Brett there. We got Jerry Turner. Dave Lopes. Jose Cardinal. Enrique Romo. Rick Bassetti. Well, he's got dings in the corners. I'm not going to pull anything grade-worthy, but this is still cool. These are cool cards. Silvio Martinez, Darrell Jackson, Duffy Dyer, Woody Fryman, Steve Trout, Barry Evans, Joe Price, Bombo Rivera, and we're going to end with Milt May. And there's the backs of the cards. That is the 1981 Topps set.